The flap's gone out of my bat.
Okay, so Halloween is coming up and it's time to scare the kitties. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know what came over me on that one. Well, anyways, so it is Halloween coming up and it is time to scare the kitties too. Hold on. Okay, great. So the best way to scare kitties is with two things. The most scary things are skeletons, circa 1950, and bats. Oh, sorry, and bats. There's two things. And so what do I have here? I have this. The bat. I actually got two of these. And as you can see, it's got, with flying action, oh, hold on. We got some, there we go. Some glareage happening. It's for the bat, with flying action, and straight from the grave. And it's by Fitco. So, unfortunately, this may need some work. Let's take a look at this guy. So we'll take the bat out. Hold on. That stuff. Yeah! Right. And we have here, this is actually the string, which you hook to the back here. There. So you can lift them up. That's great from this angle. Anywho's, we'll take that. There's your string. I'm surprised after, I've had these for over 10 years, so I'm surprised it hasn't broken. And for permanent installation of your bat, you have the little sticky pads, and I take this out here, and little screws, which screw through this base plate. But that's not over here. Alright, so the bat should flap. Let's find out. Switch is here, and well, the lights come on. Hold on, I'm gonna turn off this light. There we go. Yeah, see? Lights. Bat. But as you can tell, the wings aren't flapping and it sounds really bad. So let's turn you off and see what is happening on the inside. Maybe it's fixable. I got you. I'm spazzing out today. Well, no more than usual. I'm going to take this little tab off here, which is really awkward. It actually helps hold the wings, but I think it'll be easier. That's good to know, that goes at the front. This will be easier to work with the wings loose. So I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to take a screwdriver. And I'm going to open up. That was smooth. And we have these IKEA batteries in here. Let's get those out. They made a little... They may need a little coaxing. So that one. I find IKEA batteries are a bit larger in diameter than other brands. So put that there. Put that there. And now we have to take out 3 screws here, here, and here. Yeah, okay. So let's take this off. I'm sure this won't be easy on the inside. So there we go. Well, okay, let's do it this way. I don't know. Oh, okay, we'll take the top off. Alright, so, no, it's not going to work. Wait, hold on. Oh, there, that's the problem. Alright. So, let's yeah, there we go. Let's flip it over. So, this incredible high-tech device. And that, I don't want to mess that up. Well, there's your resistor for the lights, the flat, sort of the lighted eyes, which I think is either 52. Oh, in here, yeah, I'm sure that's a green stripe at the top. So it's, I think, a 52 ohm resistor. Nothing huge and crazy. And now here we have our electric motor, and let's put those batteries back in and see what happens. I should not have taken them out. Oh, I had to take them out, take the screw out. Okay. That one, and that. Alright, so got this. The switch is awkwardly placed here by the bat. So, okay. Oh. So you can hear it turning, but boy, I think there's a loose I think there's a loose wire in here. So let's take this off. Hold on. There we go. Let's flip it over. So, okay. So you can hear it turning, but boy, I think there's a loose, I think there's a loose wire in here. So but it's not turning. So let's, like the gears aren't turning. Oh, some are kinda, but not really. Nothing that makes it flappable. Let's turn this off. Now, I think, and can I see it in here? Is it there? Hold on. Where is the... Yes. Oh, I get this now. All right, so if I look here, can I... so that there, that little gear is attached to the shaft. Now I'm going to zoom in without screw up the focus. What do you think? Yeah, screw up the focus. Does it want to come on? And yeah, there is some loose wireage happening, or it could be the batteries. But back to what we're doing. And what is going on here? As you can see, that gear, there, yeah, is turning. And that's on the shaft. This is really complicated, not because it's complicated to talk about, but it's for me. Not that it's a hard concept, but it's just holding this. So there's the gear stopped. So what's happened is not making contact. This is so simple. I can't believe it. It's not making contact with that gear there. So hopefully I can just shove this in. Let's find out. I didn't think it'd be this easy, although I'm not happy about that loose wire, wherever it is. So I'm just going to put this here, and I'm just going to put that against... Yeah, I can barely see. Don't swear. There. That was way too easy. Alright. Okay, get ready for some flapping action. Okay, this loose business. Hold on. This... Oh, what happened? Well, that's interesting. Okay, so the lights aren't... Okay, let's just turn this light off again. Ack! So, in here... Turn that off. Those lights are on, so maybe it's the stupid batteries. Okay, I'm back. What was happening was the battery had... One of the batteries had fallen out of the case here, or we're starting to come out. So let's... I'm going to... Because this is a kind of a wild thing, I'm going to very carefully... I think this just sits in there loosely. Loosely? Loosely. So let's make sure you are lined up. And let's put you here. This is really delicate. Hey, that looks better than the first shot. Okay. Alright. Okay, some wiring stuff that's going to go on here, but we'll deal with that in a minute. Please go in. What if I did it this way? No, that wouldn't work. Right. There, okay. You go there. Let's hold you like that. Okay. There. Yeah, that's almost in. So let's just flick this on. You ready? Hold on. Where's the switch? And I'm holding my... This is... Ah! Hold on. That's... Here. That's better. Well, broke it already. What just happened there? Oh, it likes to slip out. You know what we're going to do? We're going to put some glue on that. So now that we figured that out, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to push that back in. Ha! And I will be back. So I've got the glue, and here we go. Don't really need... Just needs to not slide out. Okay, that's pretty good. We're gonna let that sit for a bit and come back to it. So I've given this guy some time to dry, and hopefully the glue has some hopefully glue stayed on the shaft, and on that one gear. All I want to do is just not slide off. And so let's hope that super glue has not dripped off into other parts of the mechanism. Well, we're going to find out, and oh, hold on. Ah, okay, good. There's the battery cover. All right, here we go. All right, feel confident about this. There's the bat looking straight at you. I know it's out of focus. Hold on, let's put the wings out. There. All right, and bat action now. Oh, yeah. It's as if several days have gone by and I lost track of time. So please pay no attention to any continuity errors. So, and not that I forgot to do the last shot earlier. So this guy had some problems. I went to, I'm going to do a shot outside, but last night didn't work out. These are running at the end of the video, but when I went to turn it on to test it for the shot, it didn't want to come on. And so I had to take it apart, and I guess maybe a little bit of glue got onto it. So I just had to move the gears around and it shook it apart. But when I put the motor back in, it was very difficult, and it turns out I was actually pushing it against the resistor that's in there, so it bent it back and broke the connection. So I had to solder that back in. However, and this one works. However, this guy, for reasons that befuddle me, and it was working last night, refuses to come on. So we're going to take a look at that one too, but not there, not now. So we're going to take this guy out, and hopefully it's not raining out. Otherwise, this could be the last shot of the video. So if this is the last shot of the video, it's because it's raining out. But we'll get this guy flying and hopefully see how terrifying it is. Let's get you on. Like that. Ah! Terrified yet? What? You're not? Look at it. It's a bat. It's scary. No, really. Look. Pay more attention to it. I'm frightened. I can't understand why you're not. Come on. No? Well, come on. You know, it's pretty cool. Okay, well, yeah. Please like this video. Take the time to subscribe. Maybe click some links. And thank you very much. And have a happy Halloween.